Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make a book cover. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account. After logged in, you will see a search bar here. Just write here book cover and press enter from your keyboard. After clicking on enter, you will find many templates of book cover here. Just pick one and start working. Okay, so let's pick one. Like this one. Click this one and start customize this template. Click this one. Okay, then you can start customize here. If you want to change the background color, just click on this and you can see here background color. You can see many background colors, black, this one, or you can choose this one. Just choose by your own and you can set it, or you can see here by a name of on Olila Wilson, but you can double click it and press backspace from your keyboard and enter your own name. Okay, you can also change the name too. You can resize it by double click on this and you can see here 216. You can decrease it like this. The fonts will decrease. Okay, all right. If you want to add some elements here, like you want to add a girl here, just go to elements and write here girl shadow, or anything you can add here. I'm just showing you for basic tutorial. If you like this so big, you can resize it like this from your mouse and you can add this here. All right. If you want to add some text here, or you just go to text, then you will find many text here. If you want to add by your own, just click on heading, write here something, sorry, ignore this one, then backspace from your keyboard, again double click on this, backspace from your keyboard and write anything you want to add, like Rosalie. Okay, I'm just show you for basic tutorial. Just you can create by your own creativity. All right, if you don't like this, just cancel this one. Like choose this and backspace from your keyboard and it will vanish. Okay, so after completing finishing your work, you can download it by clicking on share button, then scroll down and you will find download button. Click on download and it will be downloaded in your system. So if you want to share with some guy, you can write here the email address, like any email address you want to write, and if you click on send, this work will send to this email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can basically start customizing a book cover. Sorry, it's not a book, book cover in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.